Hello and welcome to the Todolf and Joy Show.
Hey, I'm Todolf and my name's not Rudolph, it's Todolf.
Hello, I'm Joy. And we're the Muppets.
No, we're not Muppets, we're puppets.
I'm going to a party and the grumpy old reindeer's not coming.
Excuse me? I am coming to the party.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You can't make me.
We're
At
the party, the Christmas party. Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
I was supposed to be here.
No, you're not. You
Yes.
weren't invited.
I was supposed to be here.
But you weren't invited. Fine, you can stay, but I'm going.
But why?
Fine, I'm just gonna have a party at home. No, I'm having a Christmas party, and it's at home.
Yeah, man, this is so much fun. I'm all partied out now, so I better get home. I can't get in the house. Help, someone. Someone, please. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
1 hour later.
Joy, let me in. Jingle bells, jingle
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna turn it off.
Help me, help me.
Someone at the door. Open the door.
Help me, help me.
Oh, hi.
Joy, you're here, finally.
Yeah, I was always here.
Oh, well, it took you hours to open the door.
I was dancing. That's why I even let you go to the party. That's why I left.
Yeah, I was getting really tired, so that's why I came home.
Yeah, I'm tired too. Okay, come inside.
Okay then.
Oh.
Thanks for